Good morning, San Francisco.
Good morning!
I'm Tim Farnham with Black Label Real Estate, and this is your Monday morning market update. As of this morning, there are 1,068 homes available in San Francisco. This is up from 1,006 last week, showing a reasonable gain and as expected as we move further into spring. Contingent homes were up from 174 to 183, which shows strength in buyer sentiment, but it did not keep pace with the new listing. Closed homes were down just a bit from 159 to 143, which was expected due to the Easter lull. In the condo market, we saw a little bit of reduction in the new listings, down 6 in the under $1 million segment to 46, and down 2 in the over $1 million segment to 87. There was also a reduction in price decreases, showing buyer sentiment is still very strong in both segments. Sale to list price had no change and maintains at 104 and 113% respectively. In the single-family home market, we had a slight increase in listings, down by 3 to 6 in the under $1 million segment, but up by 7 to 47 in the $1 to $2 million segment. Days on market remains under 2 weeks in both segments at 14 and 11 days respectively. In the luxury home market, we saw a slight reduction in new listings, down by 1 to 14 in the under $3 million segment and down by 5 to 9 in the over $3 million segment. Pending listings were down by 3 in both segments to 14 and 9 respectively. Days on market remains at 11 days in both segments. Last, the sale price to list price of the new listings remain at 26% above list in the $2 to $3 million segment and 11% above ask in the over $3 million segment. As for buyer indicators, we saw a sharp decrease in price reductions, down from 69 to 52. We also saw an increase in back on markets from 15 to 20. Overall, though, we are still seeing strong buyer demand. Overall, buyer sentiment is still strong, with most listings hitting the market and being sold in under 2 weeks. We saw a slight decrease in listings over the past week, but this is still in line with the upward trajectory that we have been seeing so far this spring. We will be paying close attention to the price reductions over the week, but there still seems to be no slowdown in buyers so far this year. Thank you for joining me for this Monday morning market update. My goal is to keep you informed on the market conditions and trends. Remember to subscribe to this channel and stay informed on market conditions. And as always, feel free to reach out to me directly if you are curious about what your home is worth or wondering if buying into this market is the right move for you and your family.